ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ DCEಗೆ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. In this video, I am going to present you BSc Mathematics 3rd semester paper 3 groups, the properties of the cyclic groups and problems on cyclic groups. In the previous video, we have learned the properties from 1 to 7, and in this session, let us learn about the theorem 8. A cyclic group of order D has phi of D generators. So now let us prove this theorem. Let G be a cyclic group with a generator A. Means the elements of G can be expressed as an integral powers of A. Given that order of G is equal to D and therefore order of A is equal to D, because order of A is equal to order of G, we have proved this result in the previous session. Now let G is equal to a set A square, A cube, etc. A power of K is equal to E. Since A is a generator of the cyclic group G, all elements of G are integral powers of A. The generators of G are of A power of K such that K and D are relatively prime. Means ordered pair K and D is equal to 1. Therefore, the number of distinct generators of G is the number of positive integers less than D which are relatively prime to D. See, the number of distinct generators of G are the positive integers less than D which are relatively prime to D. That is phi of D. So phi of D will give you the number of generators of G. Now let us define phi of n function. Phi of n, let n be an integer. Let n is equal to p1 to the power of a1, p2 to the power of a2, p3 to the power of a3 dash etc. pk to the power of a power of k, where p1, p2, p3 etc. pk are primes. They are relatively prime to each other. And let us see how we can find out those prime numbers. Let phi of n is equal to n into 1 minus 1 by p1 into 1 minus 1 by p2 into 1 minus 1 by p3 dash dash 1 minus 1 by pk will give us the number of generators. So the number of integers relatively prime to n will be our generators. Now let us find the generators of few cyclic groups of different order. So here I have taken 8, 10, 12, 24, 30 and 60 order groups. First problem, let G be generated by A and order of G is already given, that is 8. Find out the prime factors for 8. So the prime factors for 8 is nothing but 2. So 8 is nothing but 2 cube. Now let us take the previous formula, that is phi of n is equal to n into 1 minus 1 by p1. Here p1 is 2. Only one prime is there. So p1 is 2 and number n means it is order of the group, that is 8 into 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is half. Half into 8 is 4. So this group has 4 generators, namely they are 1, 3, 5, 7. They are less than 8 and relatively prime to 8. Relatively prime to 8 means example 1 and 8. They are divisible by only 1 and 8 itself. Even 3 and 8. So these are also divisible by 1 and 8. So the generators of the group of order 8 are 1, 3, 5, 7 which are less than 8 and relatively prime to 8. Therefore These are the generators, and we have taken A as a generator, then A power of 1, A cube, A power of 5, A power of 7 are the 4 generators. Second problem. Let G is generated by A and order of G is given that it is 8. And now let us find out the prime factors for 8. They are 2 and 5. 2 5s are 10. So 2 and 5 are the relatively prime numbers. Now by considering phi of n formula, phi of 10 is equal to 10 into 1 minus half into 1 minus 1 by 5. P1 is 2, P2 is 5. So phi of 10 is written as 10 into 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 5. Now on simplification, we get this as 10 into half into 4 by 5. So further if we simplify 4, even this group also has 4 generators. We can find out the generators. Those are prime numbers less than 10 are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. But they should be relatively prime to 10. Therefore, 5 is excluded and we have considered 1, 3, 7, 9 prime numbers. They are less than 10 and relatively primes to 10. Therefore, the generators are A cube, A power of 7, A power of 9. Next problem. Let G be generated by A and order of G is equal to 12. The prime factors of 12 are 2 and 3. 2 square into 3, that is 4 into 3 is 12. So 2 and 3 are the prime factors of 12. So by using the formula, phi of 12 is equal to 12 into 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3. See, these prime factors we have taken as P1 and P2 and substituted in the formula. Now on simplification, we get 12 into half into 2 by 3, that is equal to 4. Even this group has 4 generators. Now the prime numbers which are less than 12 and relatively prime to 12 are 1, 5, 7, 11. So the generators are A power of 5, A power of 7, A power of 11. These are the 4 generators. Next problem, we have to find the generators of the group of order 24. Let us consider the group G is generated by A and order of G is given, that is equal to 24. The prime factors of 24 are 2 to the power of 3 into 3. Means 2 and 3 are the only 2 prime factors for 24. By the definition, phi of 24 is equal to 24 into 1 minus half into 1 minus 1 by 3. Now simplifying this, we get 8 generators. These 8 generators 1, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, which are the numbers less than 24 and relatively prime to 24. Therefore, the generators are A power of 5, A7, A power of 11, A power of 13, A power of 17, A power of 19, A power of 23. Next problem. Find out the generators of the group of order 30. Let us consider the group be a G generated by A and order of G is 30. The prime factors of 30 are 2, 3, 5. Now by the definition, phi of 30 is equal to 30 into 1 minus half into 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 5. There are 3 factors. So P1, P2, P3 respectively we have taken like this. Now by simplifying this, we get 8 as a result. So even this group has 8 generators. Now let us see what are the relatively prime numbers less than 30 and relatively prime to 30. 1, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19 23 and 29 are less than 30 and also they are relatively prime to 30. Therefore, the generators are a power of 7, a power of 11, a power of 13, a power of 17, a power of 19, a power of 23, a power of 29. We'll work out another problem. Let G is equal to a cyclic group generated by A and order of G is 60. Now the prime factors of 60 are 2, 3, 5. 2 square into 3 into 5. So 2, 3, 5 are the prime factors. Therefore 5 of 60 is equal to 60 into 1 minus half into 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 5. So simplifying this, we get 16. So there are 16 generators for this group. Thank you.